Hello and welcome to R Tipsters Hub, where we look at an R tip every day. So if you're new here, please subscribe, like and share my other videos. This video is a continuation of the previous video, which I will attach within this video. In the last video, we looked at data structures within R called data frames. And in this section of this video, we are going to look at we looked at how to create the data frame. We also looked at how to access data within the data frame, the columns and the rows. So in this video, we are going to see how to work with data frames, and we're going to use the previous data frame that we had, which we called scores. So for the scores, what if we want to add a new column, right? How do we do this? So I told you that if you want to access a column, you use the $sign. If you want to add a new column, you can add also using the $sign. Let's say we just want to add gender, and then use the assign operator. But now add, because we know the data frame has 3 rows, we can add gender for John as male, gender for Mary as female, and gender for Isaac as male. And then if we run that, and then now we view the data frame, scores that, then we run that, we see that we've introduced a new column that we call the gender. What if we just want to subset the data and access, so subset or get a sample, subset the data and access a specific part of the data. So for example, we want to get data on those who did not pass, so fail. We will say, assign that and say that our original data frame scores, and then use the square bracket, and then tell R that scores for the column pass, only select those that are true. And I'll introduce this further. We'll use a double equal sign and select all columns. So if we run that and then we view the result, we see that it has only kept rows 2 and 3, which are of Mary and Isaac, which we see have passed. We can also subset the data to those who this is subset those who did pass. Now subset data of those who failed. Fail. Yeah, I just have to change that. So this was pass, and then fail will be scores, pass equals to fail. No, is equals to false. My apologies. We look at further explanations of these very important operators that allow you to access specific sections or specific columns within the R data frame. So if we run this, then we say fail, and we run that, we see that we have accessed only one row, which is John, who we say did not pass. So we see that there are many ways of accessing subsets of data within a data frame, but this is just the basic way just for you to get started, and we look at how to take this to the next level, because it's also possible to have two conditions or two specifications of the subset that you want to look at. So just to summarize, data frames are essential data structures in R for organizing data, and they allow you to work with tabular data efficiently, and you can perform different operations on it. So thank you very much for your time. We are going to stop there for today. Thank you for watching. Look at my other videos, and bye bye, and happy coding.